Nahanap ko na yung pinakamurang fruits and vegetable chips dito sa TikTok. Matagal-tagal na akong naghahanap na to dito at yung mga nakikita ko nga is yung mga mahal. Kaya buti na lang talaga na discover ko tong fruits and vegetable chips na worth 129 pesos lang. Diba? Halos magkakasing dami lang naman sila nung mga fruits and vegetable chips din available dito sa TikTok. Dito na tayo sa mura. Kaya nga napahord agad ako and this is my second time na nag-hoard sa kanila. Yung unang bili ko is 3 pieces and ngayon naman 4 pieces. Mahilig kasi talaga ako sa chicheria kaya naghahanap ako ng mga healthy alternatives. At kung naghahanap ka din ng mga healthy snacks, i-click mo na yung yellow basket at mag-check out ka na. Sobrang mura lang nito oh.
Don't skip just yet. Just hear me out. Our team has made a challenging decision. We want to post longer videos with more on it. We want content that you enjoy, not that the algorithm tells us you want. Otherwise, the channel will look something like this.
I said all my humans into space. The first to colonize a planet wins $1 billion.
Okay, that's actually pretty cool. But you get the point. By supporting our Patreon, you help us to make 3 more videos every month, plus all your... You're just an insecure little planet too afraid to let anyone get you your vessel. That's exactly right. I couldn't accept that me, a planet, was being threatened by them. It was honestly unthinkable. After all, humans are inferior, right? You were us, not the other way around. You are smaller, us who are inferior. Seems logical. Yes, which is why. Did you just come here and insult us, or what? I was wrong. You want to know why? Because in this universe of huge planets, gigantic black holes, and enormous galaxies, the one thing that has impressed me the most are my earthlings. They are tiny and feeble, and they can't survive in space for past a century. Honestly, they're constantly burying them on my surface, like every minute. They need me for everything. Our traps are like gravity. But even with all that in mind, they always go beyond all of my expectations. But despite having everything they need to survive on my surface, their most contagious is their mode. They were not made to survive in the condition of the moon, but they went there anyways. Why? Because the moon is pretty cool.
Nako.
Not because it works. I want the sun. The sun is the black hole in the center of the galaxy. And the galaxy probably orbits something else that we can't even comprehend.
Ano to?
I don't know. It's because deep
Ano
inside,
to,
I'm
Bebe?
recognized human beings awesome. And I thought I would use